Hello, this is Garrett Acott. Today we're going to show you how to make hundreds, literally hundreds of websites with Video Blizzard. The first step in doing so is logging into the members area. You'll take your username and password. You'll notice I do not have any sites currently. Go to Upload CSV, and right here is a link to download the CSV template. I'll download that, save it into my documents, and done. And then we'll open it up. Take a look through that file. You'll see these are all the fields that we supply for Video Blizzard to create your websites. Now this looks like quite a bit, and it might be a little overbearing and daunting, but it's really not that hard. Just stick with me and we'll get her done. I'm going to delete these because I already know what they are and I don't need them in there, and we're going to fly through this so fast it's not going to matter. What I'm going to do is go to the end of this file and I'm going to add a couple more columns just for working with. I'm going to start at AA. And in this first column I'm going to put http://. In the second column I'm going to pass up right now, and then in the third column I'm going to put my domain, my primary domain that these websites are going to go on to. But I'm putting a dot in front of them, and you'll see why here in a bit. So .clevelnet.net. Now in this column right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my subdomain names. This is what I'm actually focusing my websites on. Oops, that's spelled wrong. Let's clean that up real quick. So for instance, right now I'm going to focus on sports. So how I did sports, what I did was I went and found, got a list of sports out of Wikipedia, downloaded them, and put them in a Word file. Right click on these, copy, and just go right here. And I'm going to paste them into my file really quick. Oops. Try again. And paste. I'll spread this out just so we can see it a little. And what we're going to do is we're going to make formulas with these, and that's how we're going to, instead of having to type all this in by hand for each website, we're going to create them quickly and fast, or fast and furiously. How about that? Copy. We're going to paste this all the way down. Paste. I'm going to copy this, copy and paste all the way down. And paste. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here all the way to the URL and create our URLs now. We're going to spread this out a little, and we're creating those with a formula. So A equals AA2 and that's AA2, AB2 and AC2. And that ought to give us our domains right there. aerobatics.clevelnet.net, which is correct. So if you see, we got those all the way down. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to copy this formula all the way down the line. Oops, a little too far. Right there. And paste. Bam. There they are. So we didn't have to hand type any of that. And we're going to do the same thing for just about everything else. So titles next. Let's go ahead and tackle our title. So generally for the title, what I like is something that means something and that has something to do with this subdomain part. So for instance, I'll probably do exciting aerobatics videos. So we'll come here, we'll jump in here, we'll type exciting. Oops, excuse me, and we'll type videos. That's AD and AE. And then we have AB here. So if I go AD, AB, AE. Are you with me? So we go AD2 and AB2. I believe it was AB. AB2, excuse me, 2 and AE. AE2. Let's see if that was right. Nope. AB2 and A. Oh, that's not going to work. Let's look at these real quick here again. So we're exciting AD, AB, AE. AD, AE. Oops, sorry. Need to make sure I put the equal in front of that. And it's done deal. So what we do is we copy that formula all the way down. Bam. There it is. Same thing with the subtitle. We'll build upon the title and we'll say learning from aerobatic videos. So we'll come here again and we'll go learning from. Space this out a little. Do this so we can see. And then we have, so learning from aerobatics videos. So that's what you might want to do when you're doing this is just get a pencil and write it down something. So if we go AF and learning from aerobatic video, AB and AE. And come back over here. Equals AF2 and AB2 and AE2. Is that right? There it is. We'll copy that all the way down. And missed something. Oh, that's because we didn't copy this all the way down. So same thing. So if we copy these, this all the way down, paste, copy, paste, and copy paste. Now if we go back, everything should be complete. This is, and that is.